Hello everyone. Today's date is 28th of June 2022, and today we are going to discuss about a bin factory and application context. So, a Spring Framework mainly contains the two types of containers, which is first one is bin factory and second one is an application context. So, in this video we will be discussing about a significant differences between these two containers. So, let's start. As we know, Spring container and IOC container is only basically used to create the object or to store the objects in a whole project, and this is done by the any of these two containers. The first is bin container or application context container. So let's understand in a little bit detail. Bin factory will loads the bins, or bins nothing but an objects. It will load the bins whenever required by the user or when only it demands by the user. When on the other hand, application context will load all the bins at the starter. So this is what a basic difference between them. So bin factory is basically a lazy one guy which create the object or bins only whenever someone has forced to call it or create it. But application context is not a lazy, he is an eager guy. It will create all the objects at the time of startup or at the time of project creation. Now, as we know that the whole Spring we are using it for enterprise application development. So application context basically come up with more advanced features than bin factory. Bin factory is a core or very basic version of IOC container which were used earlier, and application context it extends all the properties of bin factory and come with an extra features. Now let's understand how application context is worthy or is useful in enterprise application development. So as we know that while designing any application, any enterprise application, the applications are very much complex, so it requires more functionalities. Application context comes with that functionalities or that features like a message functionality or event functionality. It also came with an dependency injection or annotation based dependency injection. It also ensures that or easy integration with AOP features in a Spring. So these are the basic features of application context, and they are very much needful or useful in developing the enterprise applications. A bin factory is a lightweight container. As we know, it only creates the object on the demand, so it is a lightweight container, while an application context is a heavyweight container. It loads all the bins at a starter, so it will obviously a heavyweight container. But if you talk about a time complexity or time, bin factory will take a little bit of time at runtime, because at runtime we are demanding any object, then it will take some time, but application context will not take that much time. But at the startup it will take a much time greater than the bin factory. Now let's see how the main application context work in a project. So there are number of interfaces available in bin factory and application context also, like bin factory post processor, bin post processor, and these are heavily used in a Spring versions, new heavy Spring versions 2.0. So application context is also useful, or it will create or automatically register these interfaces, while bin factory do not automatically register the interfaces like bin factory post register or bin post register, bin post processor. Due to this all the features, it is generally recommended that application context should be used while creating a complex enterprise applications. Only when the memory consumption is superior, then and then only bin factory is suitable for using. But if your applications are complex, your applications are bigger, then application context container must be used in a Spring framework or Spring to develop our application project more with more functionalities. So let's see what is a container. Basically, container is only a container which stores the object. So it internally obviously uses map. So every object in a project has some type, so that all objects are stored in the form of object, and they are stored in a map with the particular data type of a class. So this is what a container is. Container is nothing, is a simple one. So and bin factory and application context are the types of that container. So this is about a bin factory and application context. Thank you so much.